Hey guys, this is Ash from hqsuite.com.au. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at a few changes that have occurred with the programs associated with HQ Suite. We have the XFunnels program, which is a drag and drop page builder that can build any sales funnel, product funnels, standalone web pages, etc. And we're going to take a look at the new version of XFunnels. We also have HQ Webinar, which will be incorporated into HQ Suite. We have XMarketer, which is a great program that integrates with your website, so you can interact with your customers using either audio or video calls direct from your website. And we have HQ Meetup, another great program where you can conduct classroom exercises, etc. with your clients. You can use whiteboard, chat, you can do screen share. So basically it's a system where you do not need to set up a webinar. You can simply send your client a link and they will meet you in a private room and you can discuss things required. So at the moment, these four programs all have individual logins, but in the very near future, there'll only be one login to HQ Suite, and these programs will live under the umbrella of HQ Suite. Currently, we have XFunnels, which we can access, and we'll show you the new revamped XFunnels program. There will be some more apps coming in the new year. One will be an email autoresponder, so there will be no need then to have external email responders like GetResponse, Mailwebber, etc. You'll be able to use the email responder that will be included in HQ Suite. So let's take a look at the revamped program XFunnels. So we simply click on the access button, which will allow us into the program. So you can see here now it's a little bit of a different setup than the earlier version. We still have our menus on the left where we can create some funnels, products, any courses that you are designing or selling. This is where you can house those courses, any members, and also the integrations, my domains, orders, and leads, etc. So pretty much the same as the old builder. Any clients or any prospective clients that opt into any of your web pages or funnels, their information will be captured in the My Leads section. My Orders, there's been a few changes to My Orders. Now I've set up a dummy product in My Order, so we'll quickly just have a look at the changes. So this is just a dummy watch that we've set up. Let's have a edit the item. So a few things have changed within this from the previous builder. We have now the option as we scroll down to attach any inventory. So if you're selling goods online, you can enter a quantity that remains, so the customer knows that there may be only 12 items left. We now have the ability to add shipping, whether it's free shipping or shipping by weight, so we can allocate a shipping cost. We can also add variants, as many variants as you like to your product. So it could be a color, and you'll have the different options that you set for the color and also for the sizing, etc. And you could add any other option you like. There's a search engine listing preview where you can edit the website SEO for that product. And this is where you can give it the meta description and title, etc. So these are some nice changes within the product section of XFunnels. So we're going to just take a look at the builder. So let's go into My Funnels. As this is a test account, I don't have any funnels at the moment built up. So we're going to start one from scratch. So we simply select Create Funnel, and we can select either a sales funnel to build or a product launch, memberships, webinar funnels, or email funnels. So I'm just going to choose a sales funnel for this demonstration and create the custom funnel. So we just give it a name. Let's just go test for this one. We could upload a little funnel logo, and we give it a subdomain. So you don't need your own a domain name with XFunnels. You can use any domain name that you would like, but it will finish with .xfunnels.io. If you'd like to have your own domain name, well then that can be incorporated within this software as well. So for this instance, let's do test 103. If test103.xfunnels is available, you can see I can build the funnel. If it wasn't available, this button here you would not be able to select that, and you would get a message up the top right hand saying, oops, this subdomain already exists. So this is available. We'll simply click build funnel. The funnel will be populated in 5 or 6 steps depending on which funnel template that you selected. So let's have a look in this section here. We can edit this page. We could clone it. So if it's a fully built funnel, we could clone it, and we can also import any code. If somebody, a friend, has built a funnel and they want to share that funnel with you, this is where they would send you the code for their page, and you would simply import it here, and you would have a full copy of their working funnel. We can select pages, standalone web pages, or we could have membership pages. So let's go ahead and edit this funnel. So the funnel is populated. It's populated in 5 steps. So the program will automatically jump through each step unless you redirect a client or a prospective client to another page after each step. You have the option to do that. This is just where we will store our leads once we've set up our email integration, and that's all you need to do. So let's take a look at the steps. So these are the steps within the funnel. We can rearrange, just like the old builder. We can move the steps around. We can make a step a downsell. We can view the URL. We can look at the heat map of the page to find out where viewers are interested in your page. We can share the code of the page with a friend or another user, and we can also clone each step. So they're the settings. We also have the stats item now, where you can have a look at how many page views, how many sales, opt-ins, any orders, sales, etc., and earnings that your funnel has made. Settings tab is just a little bit more information on the name, etc., that we set up. We can change that at any stage. So let's just go into the funnel, and we're going to set a template. So there's lots of templates within the builder, and also hundreds and hundreds of building blocks that you preset blocks for you guys to use. So we'll just scroll down through and we'll just pick one for this demonstration. Let's pick this template here, so we'll select that template. The template will load. It's loaded now. You can see the green dot says the template has been loaded. So we can simply now edit this page. This is probably the longest stage of XFunnels as the builder loads, and you can see it's a new builder version 1.3. The old builder was version 1.2. Okay guys, so the builder has loaded now, and you can see this is the template, one of the templates within XFunnels for you guys to use or modify how you see fit. Now the good thing about XFunnels, which a lot of builders don't have, is that it's made up of elements and blocks, and every element and block can be modified. So we simply click on the block or the element. We can either edit that object, and if we click edit, there'll be a new menu open up, and font settings. We got all the font family. We can change the size of that wording. You can see that's changed. We can change the color to any color within the color palette here. You can see the wording changing color now. We can animate every element within XFunnels. We can animate. So most of us know what animation is. We can have the wording slide in or down from the right. We can have it flip down, flip left, slide in, zoom. We can do every element we are able to animate within XFunnels. The drag and drop page editor is a great feature for any newcomer that has never built a site or a sales funnel before. It's simply a matter of grabbing whatever element that you want and place it anywhere on the page. Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys. Pictures. Xfunnels comes with thousands and thousands of free, royalty-free pictures for you guys to use within the software. So you can see here we simply got a picture. We can put the picture wherever we like, and we can simply grab a corner and resize the picture to however we need. Lots of other options up the top. We can add our own heading text, paragraphs, any images, videos. I'm just going to delete this picture. I want to show you guys a very powerful feature of Xfunnels in the video. So we simply click on the video. You can see the video section will load here. And there's the video. We can simply drag the video to wherever we like. Now, no other program I've seen has the ability to do this with the resizing of video. We simply grab a corner and we can make this video whatever size we like that you desire. So that is a very cool feature within this piece of software. Okay, so we simply, if we want the video that size, we'll leave it that size. Now the video comes with a pre-populated URL, and to simply change this, we'll click on the video and we'll do an edit. So we simply click on edit the object, and you can see down here video URL. We simply grab any YouTube video that we like, the address, and we put it in here and click update, and the video will automatically be updated. It doesn't get any easier than that, guys. If you housed your video on your own server, you can simply use the web address of the video. So it doesn't need to be YouTube, but very, very easy. Simply copy a YouTube video address, paste it into the video URL, and that video will be live on your page. We can show progress bars, play it in the loop, auto play, mute, etc. And we simply click update. So there's the video. If I click save now, and we just preview this page, now this is a live page on the web. So the page will load, and here's the page, here's the video. Simply click the video and the video will start playing, commence playing. Okay, so these are some great options within the Xfunnels program, especially the video. Let's go back to the editing screen. So there's lots of things we can do. It's within the form builder. We can use checkout buttons, for opt-ins and text input. So we simply click on text input, and the text input box will be loaded to the page. There it is, and this is exactly how this pre-populated form was made. So we simply put one there. We might want to put another text input onto the page to capture the email address. We can simply add it, and we simply select a button, and the button will be loaded, and here's the button, and we can put the button. Now all these are automatically linked together, guys. We simply click on it, edit the object, and we'll select our button, and we can select the autoresponder. So as soon as somebody clicks on the submit button on your page, their information here will be captured within Xfunnels and also with the autoresponder that you set up. So it doesn't really get much easier than that. But the preset templates you can change, has all this information in all the templates. You can simply change it to however you feel free. Okay, so it's simply a matter of grabbing corners. If you want the countdown timer to be larger or not in here, you want the countdown timer to be down below the video, we have that option, guys. It's endless. Every element within the Xfunnels system can be modified. Okay, it's a very, very powerful program. I just want to quickly show you how easy it is to link the product that we showed you earlier on before. So if you had a product page or a page where you were selling something, and let's let's just remove this one here, remove, and we'll put a checkout button. So the checkout button's been submitted here. We can simply drag it to where we want. We simply click on the button and click add product. Here's the product, the watch, and we'll choose the payment. I have a Stripe test account set up, so we add the payment, and that will be added, and success payment has been connected. That's all you have to do, guys. That button now is live and connected to that product. So we'll simply save this, and just to show you guys how easy this is, and we'll click preview, and the preview will load of this page. Here's the page. We'll scroll down to where we had the button. Here's the button. We simply click on the button, guys, and up comes the checkout page. Okay, where we can ship it to a different address. We can information. We can choose sizes and colors, and we fill out our details up here. If we have any coupons that we're giving away, this is where the purchaser would enter their coupon. That's how easy it is, guys, within the system to add a checkout button to a product, and it's done. It is so easy, this piece of software. Lots of other things we can do. We can do animations with the button, as I said. We can style, we can edit the object, we can change the background colors, the text color of this button. So simply dragging on the palette, you can see the background color changing of the button. We can do all sorts of stuff with the button, guys. So if we want the button style, lots of different button styles that we can use. If we want it to glow or blick, you can see now the blick line coming through the button, which will capture a prospective buyer's eye on where the button's located in your product. So lots and lots of good stuff within this piece of software that you guys can use. There's also, we can add Facebook comments. We can add menus to the top of the page by simply clicking the button here. There is a one up here. I'll just delete this block here, and we'll simply add a menu. Simply click on the menu, and the menu's updated. So there's the menu there. Okay, so that's how easy it is, guys. We can do progress bars. We can, for people that are selling online goods, we can do carousel, where your images, unlimited images, you can put into the carousel, which will scroll through your page. Okay, we can put Facebook, we can group elements, countdown timers. We can put all our social icons, shapes, different size shapes, etc. Now, one thing I just wanted to show you guys before we quickly end here, I wanted to show you the preset blocks that are in the Xfunnels program. So we simply click on preset blocks, and all the blocks will be loaded. If we want some navigation blocks, click on the navigation, blocks will come up. If we want to have a look at galleries, there'll be some gallery blocks. Okay, we'll go into the preset blocks. We'll click on this one over here, click insert. It's inserting the preset block. Here's the preset block here. Okay, so it's already put it into your page, and all you have to do is change the wording, change headings, change the image, put the image wherever you like from the preset block, and these are a huge help for you to be building your pages, guys. Okay, so let's just do one more preset block. Let's have a look at all and scroll down, and we'll see if we can find a preset block. May have something to do with selling some goods. Okay, let's take a look at this picture here. Highlight it, click insert. It's got a camera and a few other items there, which might be handy. And we'll scroll down, and bingo, here is that preset block automatically put into your page. Simply add whatever you like, and wording, place it anywhere you like. These could be checkout buttons, and this is your product, and a bit of a spill on your product, etc. So huge help, guys, these. And as I said, this program, Xfunnels, very powerful program. I totally believe it will take over as the #1 piece of software to build sales funnels and websites, on how easy it is. As I said, anybody that's completely new, that's never built anything in their life, can build software, sales funnels, websites, membership sites, etc. with this piece of software. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to show you guys. So thanks very much for watching. And as I said, the other 3 programs, which are all available, HQ Webinar, Xmarketer, and HQ Meetup. You can have a look at the videos further down on the site, but they are all included, and very shortly they'll all be under the one login button, which will be HQ Suite. So thanks for watching, guys.